everyone, it's Anya here at Our Gabled Home, where I like to share tips for a simple, beautiful, healthy, and sustainable living. And in this tutorial, I want to share with you a really quick way to make your own produce shopping bags. Now, if you've been following me, you know, and I have a tutorial that I'll be linking below, that I like to go grocery shopping with a basket like this. And then in my basket, there live these cute little grocery shopping bags, canvas bags that I made, and you can make them from an old towel or a tired t-shirt, and I'll be linking the video how you can make these. Now, these don't work if you buy carrots that have just been sprayed with water, or if you have lettuce or something that's kind of wet, or if you go to the farmer's market and you buy some potatoes and they still have soil on them, which is actually great, but it makes these produce bags pretty dirty. Now, I have something else that lives in the bottom of my grocery bag, and that is these drawstring bags that are, I'm not quite sure, they're probably nylon, and you can wash them. They let the water through, they dry really quick, and they don't get moldy. So these are actually perfect for anything that's wet or doesn't go well in a canvas produce bag. Now let me show you how easy it is to make these. And all you need is a paint strainer from the hardware store. You can also get them online. Again, I'll link that resource below. They often come in a 2-pack. You can get them in a 1-gallon size or in a 5-gallon. This is a 1-gallon. I think that's pretty big. If you need something bigger than that, just get the 5-gallon. They're super inexpensive. They're just a few dollars, maybe $3 for the 1 gallon. They come in a 2-pack, or about $5-6 maybe for the 5-gallon bag. And then all you need again is some string. You can either buy that or make your own. I had some yarn that I used for this that was polyester, so it's perfect for this. And it's such a quick way to make these. It's also perfect for kids to make a little project, and let's check it out how I do that. The first thing we need to do is get rid of the elastic, and we're going to cut that. Now, I don't want to cut more into the bag than I need to, and you can either cut your elastic out with just regular scissors, just like so, opening here at the seam, or you can take a seam ripper and just go along here. Now, since I don't know if you all have seam rippers, I'm just going to continue with my scissors and just cut that seam for the elastic open. So here's your elastic. We need to make sure it comes off. Perfect, there it is. And you can either be super frugal and use it for another purpose, get rid of the thread here, or just get rid of it. Now you see that we have this raw edge here, and the first thing we need to do is either with a zigzag stitch, or if you have a serger, make sure that this doesn't unravel and rip in. So we're going to do that first. Now you have this secured edge here, and next we need to make this channel, if you will, here for your string. And we need to make sure that we have an opening so we can put the drawstring in there. So I'll take some pins here and just go all the way around. And you can easily see here that this is wide enough for my drawstring. So you want to make sure that it can easily house it. Again, making sure that you will not sew right here because that is where we need to put the drawstring in. So you're just using a regular straight stitch. So now I've sewn all the way around with an opening here. I'm taking out my pins. And then I will go one more time just around here with a zigzag stitch, or you could do that if you have a serging machine. You can see I have gone around with a zigzag stitch just to reinforce the seam. We'll cut this off. Extra piece of thread. And I will take a safety pin and put that right in here to guide the drawstring into this channel that we have created. And all you do is push it through and pull a little bit, push and pull on the other side, push and pull and push and pull until it's all the way in. Make sure the knot is tight, and here you go. And then you can pull this in a little bit more, and here is your drawstring produce bag. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here on my channel, subscribe. I upload new content every week. You can also hop on over to my blog at ourgabledhome.com, where I have more tips and recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and see you here next time.